This video is for bid report with image. Here I'm in a worksheet. I have a worksheet already open called Bid Report with Image Classroom. I have set this up already to work the best with the template by setting some things in Worksheet Properties. Remember, Worksheet Properties are specific to the worksheet, so they stick with the worksheet as long as it's on your system. First thing I did was give it a worksheet title. The title will display inside of the template. I also set a new thing that we have in the 2018.0 release. It's a report image. This report image will display inside of the report. You can set it using the Browse button here. You can pick any image that you want. It takes the formats of bitmap, JPEG, and DIB. A path to the image is shown here, and here's a preview of the image. This image is one that I captured out of visual impression. I visualized the scene, and then I did a 2D plan view snapshot, and then trimmed off the extra bits of the image that I didn't need to make it an ideal square, and saved that as a JPEG file. I've also set the logo on the system. Logo will also appear inside of the report. So I'm going to now apply the report. Applying the report happens either off the report designs drop list or off of the report menu. Click on reports and then go to apply report design. The three new report templates are listed at the bottom. I'm going to select bid report with image. First thing you notice is that this is a landscape format template. Starting in the top left, this shows the worksheet title that we set inside of Worksheet Properties, the prepared for company name, 2020 logo that I had set inside of Preferences, also shows the file name, the date the report was created, and the page number out of the total number. Here within the report itself, on the left-hand side, you'll see the bid report image. This is in a space that is 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. If you have a larger image, it will scale down the image to fit in this space. If you have a smaller image, it will not increase it in size so that it fills the space. So larger files are okay. It'll just scale them down. This is a square area that it's filling, so it's square in space. So the closer you have to a square format image, it'll fit better in the space. Otherwise, it'll fit in the top left corner. So you might have a little bit more white space down below here. On the right-hand side, it shows you the items. These items go from in the left-hand column, top to bottom, and then it continues over in the right-hand column, top to bottom. If you have more items than will be able to be shown in this page, so if you have 9 or more items, they'll show up on a second page. This is the 9th item inside of the worksheet. Items would continue down this column, and then if there were more, they would continue down in the right-hand column. You may use this space for taking notes or anything else you want to do with this particular report. This report is meant for a more simple area with a limited number of items in it. The use of this report would be to show a simple representation of the space and then the items that are within that space, so that you showing this to a customer will be able to say this chair here, and then you'll be able to give a better view of what that chair is. The items on the right-hand side give the part number, the quantity of that item, and then a short description. The report image that we set inside of Worksheet Properties, it can be any kind of image. It can be an image like this taken from visual impression. It can be a screen capture from AutoCAD or from 2020 Giza. It can be a photograph of the space. It can be any kind of image that you want on this left-hand side. Our intention was that you would put a floor plan on the left and the items would go on the right-hand side. But any way that you want to use this report to help with your workflow, it works for us. So this is Bid Report with Image. Thank you.